What if I told you a token born right here in America could skyrocket things to one man, Donald Trump? That's right, Pi Network, the mobile mined crypto with millions of users, might be on the verge of something huge. Trump's can full pro crypto in 2025, and with Pi's American roots, could this be the match made in heaven to send its price to the moon? Stick around as we break down and what this means for Pi's price and its future. Hit that like button if you're a Pi pioneer and let's dive in. First, let's talk about Pi Network. Launched in 2019 by a team with Stanford PhDs right out of Palo Alto, California. Pi is not your average crypto. Unlike Bitcoin, which needs crazy mining rigs, Pi lets anyone mine it on their phone for free. It's got over 50 million users worldwide. What makes Pi special? It's American-made. Founded in the heart of Silicon Valley, Pi got that US innovation DNA. It's already an affiliate member of Stanford alongside big names like Ripple and the E16Z. So that's serious credentials. PostNext even claims Fi catching in the US with places like Florida Zito Realty accepting it as a payment. So this isn't just a crypto, it's an American crypto with global reach. So how does Trump fit into this? Donald Trump's back in the White House as of January 2025, and he has flipped the script on the crypto. Remember when he called Bitcoin a scam in 2021? Well, fast forward to now, he's hosting crypto summits, launching his own Trump meme coin, and pushing a US crypto strategic reserve. On March 2, he named Ether, Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, and Cardano for the reserve, sending their prices soaring. Bitcoin hits 94K overnight. So Trump vision, make the US the crypto capital of the planet. He's got pro-crypto regulators in his corner, and the SEC sex dropping lawsuits left and right. Now let's talk about price, because Pi is already live and trading. So as of March 2025, Pi's open minute is up, and you can swap Pi USDT on exchanges like Gate.io, OKX, and then in BitGet trading. So right now it's hovering between 0.8 to 1.25. So what's next with Trump's pro-crypto vibes in the mix? Trump's pushing hard to make America the crypto king. Think US crypto reserve. So fewer regulations and maybe even a nod to homegrown tokens like Pi. Look at what happened when he named Bitcoin and Solana for the reserve. Double-digit pumps in hours. So post on X says Pi's trading volume spiked 60% after listing, but volatile, so down 6% to 0.94 just yesterday. So if Trump gives Pi a shout out or dream big added to the reserve, analysts think we could see a 200 to 300% jump fast. So that's around 2.4 to $3.75 by mid-2025, driven by fear of missing out and new buyers. But here's the reality check. Pi's got 100 billion coins total and 97 million more unlocked in 30 days. That's sell pressure, so some ex-users like Dr. Altcoin are streaming for a 60 to 100 million Pi burn to stabilize it. Without that, or if adoption stalls, it could dip to 0.50 or lower. If Trump's team hints at Pi or a big exchange like Binance listed, expect it $5 to $10 by year end. So if not, we are stuck in the 0.80 to $2 range. So high risk, high reward. So what's the Pi's future? With Trump's pro-crypto wave, America could lead the charge and Pi is perfectly positioned. Its mobile-first approach could onboard millions more. Imagine every American mining Pi on their phone. If the open mainnet hits on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase listed, paired with Trump's backing, Pi might not just be a token, it could be the US altcoin. Could Pi hit $10, $100 or more? It's speculative, but Trump's America might just make it happen.